Okay, if you walk up to the copier and your green light is on, push your energy saver. None of the buttons to turn it on or off have to be touched over here. Once it comes up, right now, eventually we're going to be hooked to internet, so you'll be able to print to the copier, you'll be able to scan to your email. All this is just basic copying. Everything on this side is your paper size, or if you want to adjust the size and make it larger or smaller of whatever you're copying. Paper supply, these are all of our trays. Go back. This machine has 7 trays. This is a high capacity tray, big jobs, tray 7. Tray 1 has white paper. Tray 2, 3 has cardstock, and it's set for cardstock. 4 has colored paper. Every morning somebody's going to check the machine and make sure there's paper in the machine, okay, so that people can just walk up and make their copies. Okay, every time you open a tray, it's going to ask you, does tray 4 have yellow paper? You want to change it or confirm that it does. Tray 1 has white paper. Tray 1 white paper. Tray 6 has white paper. And that's it, okay? If you see here, if you choose tray 3, it's automatically set for heavyweight paper, okay? To make just a basic copy, 1 to 1-sided, 1 to 2-sided, the same thing as you used to have on the screen on the top of the thing. Copy output, if you hit copy output, you can put 1 staple in the top corner, 2 staples on the side, 2 staples on the top, 1 staple on the other side, 2 staples on the other side. You choose what you want. Hole punching, we've already done 3 hole punching jobs. Works perfect, okay? Uncollated with separators, you can add whatever you need to, okay? Output, this right here will let you choose if you want the right top tray or the right middle tray, okay, as far as your finisher. So that's pretty much it as far as up here. Image quality, if you need to lighten it or darken it. Layout adjustment, if you're doing book copying where you're going to open the book. Say you have a book and you want to open, I don't have a book, but say you open the book and this is the first page of the book, this is the second page. If you push book copying and you turn it on, it's going to copy this page and then it's going to copy this page and it's going to put them in order. Okay, so pretty much with any, we'll leave it off. Booklet creations, if you have 8.5 by 11, you can turn it into whatever kind of book you want. And once you turn it on, it's going to ask you, do you want covers? Do you want 2-sided originals, 1-sided originals? I always like to do 1-sided originals to make my books. Job assembly, build a job, sample jobs. A lot of this stuff he's going to go over with me when the actual guy comes. I guess that's pretty much it. You can also, this is like a quick lighten and darken, okay, if you want to just do something real quick instead of having to go to your image quality. You can build one job after another. If you walk up and the machine looks like this, once we get our email set up, we're going to be able to pull up our whole address book for Heritage Elementary. Okay, anybody in the district, you'll be able to type in some of their name and it'll find them. Network scanning, you'll be able to put it in here and scan it to yourself. Okay? That's pretty much as far as what we'll be using there. But copy. What do you got to